Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be making our signature chamomile, rosemary, and cloves hair grease, as well as our moringa infused hair butter. So sit back and enjoy this video. So as you can see, I kind of make them both together simultaneously, okay? So while the lanolin and shea butter is sitting over there with the grease, I am going to measure out the shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter that is needed for the moringa hair butter. As you can see, look at it, beautiful, beautiful. So we have melted the lanolin and shea butter, and I'm putting in the herbs now for the hair grease. I'm just gonna mix that in and get it nice and mixed into the mixture. And usually what I do once I mix it all in, then I will take it back to the heat and have it melted again. Now here you can see that it is thoroughly melted, and I just let it sit, let those herbs infuse a little bit longer before I strain it. Try to get it, mixed in a little bit. Try to get as much of the nutrient as you can get into the hair grease. So in this next process, I'm going to take a nude knee-high and I'm going to filter strain the herbs out of the hair grease mixture. Now using a knee-high is better because cheesecloths, it seems like some of the herbs still find their way into the mixture. With these knee-highs, honey, I can get it strained really good. I never get any herbs finding their way into the mixture. So using a knee-high or even a wig cap is good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the color, you can definitely see the rosemary and cloves in the grease. I love it. I try to strain as much of the herbs as I can. Even when it's kind of warm like this, I still try to get as much of that goodness as I can into this liquid. Now, not only is it looking good, but it is smelling good as well. This has such a sweet aroma. Now, the amount that we measured out in today's mixture made about an 8-ounce container of grease. This was someone's order. I didn't need any extra ones, so I made just enough for 8 ounces. Now I'm just going to take a little measuring spoon and get as much as I can get out of this cup. I don't want to waste any of this goodness. So we're just going to seal that up, make sure it is nice and tight, and then I let it sit and cool in the refrigerator, and then we'll see what it's looking like once it's cooled. So now we're going to go into the moringa hair butter. I'm going to pour the powder into the melted butters, and I'm going to mix it, get as much of that mixed in as possible. We don't want to see any powder remaining in the mixture. So we're going to mix it as much as we can so that we don't see any more powder floating in the butter. And of course, once that is done, we are going to take another knee high so that we can strain this butter as well, get all of the extra moringa powder out of the melted butter. So now we're going to prepare to pour the mixture into these little 4-ounce containers. Now this hair butter goes with our wild hair growth system, which consists of the tea rinse, the hair butter, and a wild hair growth oil. So that is what this mixture made. I got about 5 4-ounce containers out of this mixture. So now we're sealing up the containers, getting these ready to be placed in the freezer for the freezing process. We do not want to leave them in the freezer any longer than about 2.5 hours. And this is what we have after the freezing process. This Rosemary Cloves chamomile hair grease is my favorite product that we have. It smells good, it feels good on the scalp, and I recommend anyone use this that likes to use hair grease like for braids or your tips of your cornrows or anything like that. The hair butter, we use this, like I said, in our wild hair growth system, and this is another one that feels good. It's soothing to your hair. It helps nourish and moisturize your hair, and it actually also can be used on your skin. You see a little bit of that moringa in the bottom of the jar. People ask me, Sweet Pea, can you please leave some of the goodness in my container? So if you see that in the bottom of the jars in this video, that is because it was requested. So there you have it. That was a quick overview of our Moringa infused hair butter and our Rosemary Cloves and chamomile hair grease. You can pick up both of these items on our website at www.soulsistahllc.com. As always, if you like these videos, please comment below. Also, let me know if you are interested in any of our products. If you have used them, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, make sure you like this video, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.